The Song of Hiawatha by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow.
She had sent through all the village messengers with wands of willow, as a sign of invitation, as a token of the feasting. And the wedding guests assembled, clad in all their richest raiment, robes of fur and belts of wampum, splendid with their paint and plumage, beautiful with beads and tassels. And when all the guests had finished, old Nokomis, brisk and busy, from an ample pouch of otter, filled the redstone pipes for smoking with tobacco from the southland, mixed with bark of the red willow, and with herbs and leaves of fragrance. Then she said, "O Pau-Puk-Keewis, dance for us your merry dances. Dance the beggar's dance to please us, that the feast may be more joyous, that the time may pass more gaily, and our guests be more contented." Then the handsome Pau-Puk-Keewis, he the idle Yenadizze, he the merry mischief-maker, whom the people call the storm-fool, rose among the guests assembled. He was dressed in shirt of doeskin, white and soft and fringed with ermine, all inwrought with beads of wampum. He was dressed in deerskin leggings, fringed with hedgehog quills and ermine, and in moccasins of buckskin, thick with quills and beads embroidered. On his head were plumes of swan's down, on his heels were tails of foxes, in one hand a fan of feathers, and a pipe was in the other. First he danced a solemn measure, very slow in step and gesture, in and out among the pine trees, through the shadows and the sunshine, treading softly like a panther. Then more swiftly, and still swifter, whirling, spinning round in circles, leaping o'er the guests assembled, eddying round and round the wigwam, till the leaves went whirling with him, till the dust and wind together swept in eddies round about him. Then along the sandy margin of the lake, the big sea water, on he sped with frenzied gestures, stamped upon the sand and tossed it wildly in the air around him, till the wind became a whirlwind, till the sand was blown and sifted like great snowdrifts o'er the landscape, heaping all the shores with sand dunes, sand hills of the Nagawuju. Thus the merry Pau-Puk-Keewis danced his beggar's dance to please them, and returning, sat down laughing, there among the guests assembled, sat and fanned himself serenely with his fan of turkey feathers.